if really your heart is not there, the most important person is Umilis.
I want my kids.
Okay.
That's all I want. I want nothing with them.
Bangana, trust me, your kids will be a priority in this case. Honestly, if it means calling for social workers to fetch those kids, we will do that. But right now, while we are here, your wife is a priority.
Hello. Okay. We didn't expect to have this situation. The aim, Melissa, of you coming in November was just to clarify what's been happening with Usponono. Of course, you know that Usponono is the mother of his kids. Usponono, this is.
Yeah, but now here, we need to understand. My name is Pastor Umonde Patrick Lawrence, Blessing Wiseman MP. I'm a viewer at home. We do watch Married at First Sight. Myself and my wife, we sit here and relax. Now, Usponono, according to the presentation, she is a wife. She's not a girlfriend. Like according to customary marriage, the proceedings, lobola was paid. That is, first the damages for having children, and also there was lobola paid. So it is on paper. So that means that marriage actually is supposed to be registered first, so that it is acknowledged. In other words, it is the first marriage. You can't have another marriage. You can have because it is not yet registered. The first one is not yet registered, but it will be disqualified at a later stage. That's why it's so important. Like, deal with it. He says, Mr. Kosa, he acknowledges that he paid Lobola fully. So it's so important that when you pay Lobola, there is no divorce. The lady, Usponono, is denying that Uguti, there was a second meeting whereby the families were gathering to split. I don't know, I've never seen something happening of two families coming and say, this is over. And there's supposed to be something also that is written down. If maybe there is such a thing, I don't know that. But it is very important to know that this marriage, the first one, that is where Lobola was paid, it needs to be registered. She need not to be addressed as a girlfriend. Temba's wife, she is Temba's wife, Mr. Koza's wife, number one. And also the lady, the one who is at Marriage at First Sight, is Temba's wife, number two. Let's proceed. I just want to hear this.
Well, it's a big shock. She has presented some evidence that prospectively they were still in a relationship when this started. So coming here, it was just clearing the air so that at least this chapter is closed.
Okay.
So that moving forward, there's a healthy co-parenting, and there is an awareness that Utemba is married to.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you
You
too.
seem like a nice person.
I am actually.
But I think she's a scorched woman. She's a woman that's been betrayed. She's a woman that is disappointed.
So, Tabang, where are we with this? What has been clarified whilst I was away and not part of this?
Basically, what we've clarified is that Utemba agreed that they are no longer together.
Okay.
Yabona, now when you say they are not yet together, that means you need to divorce. You divorce the first Sponono. You divorce the first wife. And then after divorce, when you get a divorce decree, that's when you continue with the other wife. Because if Mr. Koza, God forbid, can pass on, what's going to happen? She's got the rights to say, he is my husband. So it is very important just to go and make research. Married at First Sight, I really request that you go and make research at Home Affairs, because this will have consequences. Let's go back again.
What he did allude to, which I greatly appreciate, is that the breakup was not as official through words, but it was official through actions.
Okay.
Usponono is then saying that we stay in the same house.
Are they currently staying in the same house?
Yes.
She did say.
Yes, they're staying in the same house. Even today, he brought them close to in the very same house that he left, where I'm staying with the kids also. We sleep in the same bed, same room.
The other thing that we have established is that the main reason why she is here, it was purely to, let's say, put it to warn you. So
Let's leave that matter of warning, because the lady needs also to be empowered. Because she's thinking in her mind that let me go and make an awareness to another lady of what is happening. But now, if she can be informed that her marriage is legal, if she go and she must register the marriage, and then the divorce will take place after. So it is very important. Can you please pause a bit? I just want to skip that. It is very important to have the understanding,
Tabang, where are we with this? What has been
because
clarified?
the lady is saying she has come to warn me about my husband. It's her husband too. How I wish if we can use the reasoning capacity. Common sense is not common, because like here we lack the knowledge of understanding that the marriage on paper, customary where families meet together. They said there were no words spoken, but it's through actions. No mungahamba, go anywhere. When you come back, you still the husband until you divorce the person. And if we go deeper, when you divorce, that means after that you must remain, Baba, or you go and fix the things, or the Bible says you commit adultery. That is if you're a Christian. But let us dig in to this.
Wait, you're not part of this.
Basically, what we've clarified is that Utemba agreed that they are no longer together.
Okay.
Nosponono.
Divorce people.
What he did allude to, which I greatly appreciate, is that the breakup was not as official through words,
Jesus.
but it was official through actions.
Okay.
How is that
Usponono
possible?
Then saying that we stay in the same house.
Are
The
they
breakup,
currently staying in the same house?
Yes.
she
Yes.
did say it.
Yes.
The man is not
They're in the
denying?
same house. Even today, he brought the clothes to the in the very same house that he left, where I'm staying with the kids also. We sleep in the same bed, same room.
the other thing that we have established is that the main reason why she is here, it was purely to, let's say, put it to warn you, so that you don't find yourself in a similar situation.
There's somebody who came here to warn me about my husband.
It's her husband too. It's her husband too. She's not a girlfriend. It's her husband too. You know, like I did become honors in the psychology. It is very important that to know that they are thinking people. When you talk about personality, they are also feeling people. In this case, we don't need to use feelings. In this case, it is very important to understand that hear, listen, and try to find out what is happening. Because these two people are married to one person. They are married. Celebration is something else, good people. Celebration is like having to having good times, letting other people outside your circle or within your circle who are not part of your family to know that, guys, this is something. So celebration could happen. People can go to home affairs and sign without celebration. That's marriage. See, the marriage, Mr. Koza, you've got two wives, Mr. Koza. You have two wives. You need to divorce one, and then after that, you will see what to do. It's going to be your choice, according to your belief.
It doesn't even make sense. You don't know me. Why are you warning me? Is it because you care about me, trying to save me? Okay, so you came to the show
That's
to
ignorant.
warn me about my husband.
That's
What if
ignorance.
this Temba that I'm seeing now is the most genuine version of
I like what she's saying. That's a point. The most genuine version of Temba. In other words, you're telling us about that he was someone else, but now maybe he has changed. But the change, remember, change is inevitable. Everybody can change. But when you change, it's very true. He could be a genuine version. Like, it's very important, like now, fix this thing of marriage first, Mr. Koza, Mr. Temba Kosa. Fix this marriage first, this one. And if you want to continue according to the way you want to continue, you continue life. But I'm telling you the honest truth. The lady, like now, me, I see someone using feelings and knowledge. Let us put knowledge first. Remember, there are three things: it's knowledge, it's understanding, and it's wisdom. So, wisdom means implementation. So, it's very important, whatever that you do, at the end, they agreed that they will marry. They agreed. The results are good. But now, according to him, he wants this. But let go first and fix that one.
And going forward is gonna remain. So why is the warning necessary?
Because is the wife. She is the wife. Usisi Sponono here Katebe is the wife. That's why she's got a right to go and warn you, Sisi. Let us be realistic. The lobola was paid, even if there are some misunderstandings, some disputes, they are thrown between two pillars. You need to clear that as it was on paper in the beginning, let it be on paper again. So that you know that it's cleared, the guy will just pay maintenance. And also it depends that the lady, she can say, I also need maintenance for myself. Oh, people do not understand.
I was betrayed when I went there under false pretense of
It's
okay,
true.
this is what I'm going to do. If Yena, like he didn't want me, he would have said before going to the show, okay, and I'm just going there to get a wife, and I want nothing to do with you. Yes, that's it. Not for him to say, okay, I'm staying with this person. Well, I'm the one who the BMW bag. I watched it, helped me pay. Even when you guys were shooting, he even sent me a picture of you in the wedding gown.
Do you have the messages?
Yes, I do have the messages. For the whole week that he was there, was sitting and watching. I was busy asking, are you sleeping with her? No, I'm not.
No, let us face reality.
He said you're old. I don't know if you're 40 or what. That will not break our relationship.
How would he,
That's
how,
why he's-
Yabona, like now, how would she have known that if they were not communicating? Because the lady is older than him. Oh my goodness.
Did you guys have the first week of your marriage?
We had in the first week of our marriage. Yes. I don't know. Oh, every day. We've been having sex, and I'm aware of the message that you sent him.
Huh?
I won't mention the outlaw. Very much well aware of it, and it doesn't fit what's happening between me and him.
Wow.
Yeah, that's nice.
You can never force somebody to stay with you. You can never force somebody to love you. It doesn't.
It's very true. You can't force someone to do that. But now it's somebody else's husband. He's getting the second wife. If it's polygamy, he could have explained it. Because other people, they go into this route. Abazalwane, according to the Bible, they know that when you divorce, you remain or you committing adultery. There are people who are traditional who says, okay, I'm following this route as a polygamist, so I'm going to go this way. So it is very important to understand that in this case, they need communication. Because like now, what I see there's lack of communication, the closure, there's no closure. Close that door, Mr. Kosa, Mr. Temba Kosa, close that door. Let everybody know that door is closed. I realized that the family also was involved, as you say. Like you said, in my family, nobody wants you. But close that door. Close that door. But remember that the relationship between yourself and the children will continue. And also about the social workers, they cannot just give you the child and the children and leave the mother of the children. So that means since you are married, you will need to go to court. The court will decide again if who's gonna get the children because you are married. You've got a right to your children, but not just to go and fetch the children according to Upastor. Upastor says we'll organize the social to go and fetch. It does not work that way. It doesn't.
That's how it happens. If it happens, it happens. Let it go.
I don't know if you have anything that you would like to ask your husband or that you would like to ask Sponano.
With regards to my husband, I've got nothing to ask him.
Okay.
I believe every word he has told me. He's my husband. He is married to me. All I know is the person I met and married, whom I love so dearly, who loves me so dearly.
Okay.
And nothing's gonna change that.
Okay.
Things would have been simplified for her if I had just walked away. But here I am.
What is the way
So
forward?
we're discussing with my wife. Currently, I'm looking for a place to stay, and it was just.
How
it will
can
be
you
just
leave your house if I'm not staying there to go?
It's
to
lies.
I get it, I'm not staying there.
How? What did I say to you? Why did I say I would go to police station? What was the reason?
So are you saying, oh, you're not gonna stay in that house because you feel threatened?
She destroy me.
Okay, show me the message here.
Let's not go far. Sponono and Temba stay together.
Yeah.
There is no, she's got my keys, the cut. No, it's just the mind games. They stay together because he did not cut that umbilical cord.
Thank you,
And
Sissy.
they live in the same house, share a bedroom.
Thank you very much.
I think we need to warrant that her betrayal is valid.
Thank you.
No.
Mtalo Ive, yabona, she's speaking the truth. The betrayal is valid. Oh,
That's what I'm
The
saying.
betrayal is very valid. These are two women.
it's very true.
And we live in a world, in a country where it must always be a scramble of the men, and I don't want a situation like that between the two of them. So, oh no, this is Temba's wife. Okay. Nelisa, this is the mother of his kids.
No, there's a big mistake there. There's a big mistake. Not only the mother of the kids, she's also the wife. That's why, please correct me if I'm wrong. I really would love, because as viewers at home, we are watching. As a pastor, we also do counseling, and it is very important for us to be on one page. Because like now, if it's me who is wrong, I accept correction. Please correct me, because these are wives. It's not that she is the wife and the lady is the mother of the kids. They are both wives of Mr. Temba Khoza.
You are a mother. That's right. So what I'm asking, Sponono, going forward, is to treat each other with respect. That's all it is. But you have every right to feel betrayed. Okay, but this is the situation right now. Are you accepting it?
I am accepting him. I know where I stand, and I know where. Okay.
Yabona, she knows, she's accepting that the guy is carrying on. But Mr. Temba Khoza needs to go and divorce that woman. The marriage is not registered. If it was registered, it could have been Mrs. Khoza. So in everything, I would like to say in closing for my side, as Pastor Munde, sorry man, I'm just like that. I like to stand up. Even when I preach, I go up and down. I would like to say to the show, it is very important to us. It helps us to think out of the box. It helps us to think broadly. It helps us to gain knowledge. It's more inspiring. It is very important then to close the chapter. Mr. Khoza, I say now, really, he needs to revert. He needs to go and review. The first phase, which is the customary marriage, and then the marriage at first sight. Pastor Monde Patrick Lawrence Blessing Wiseman P. In Alwal Northeastern Cape at 072-188-6798. Mail is monde.patrick@yahoo.com. It's monde.patrick@yahoo.com. We really would love a feedback as the viewers, because it's going to help us. And even myself, I'm willing to learn. If in this case I'm wrong, please, I need it. Whilst I'm still alive, whilst I'll be interacting with people, I need that advice. I need that teaching. If there's any teaching, we are learning. Thank you. Ndolebwangamanda, Zwabudi, Dizone. I love Venda, but I can't express myself. Thank you very much. Of course. Bye-bye.